What is this called? Kale. What is this called? Spinach. What is this called? Broccoli. What is this called? Cauliflower. What is this called? Avocado. What is this called? Zucchini. What is this called? Carrots. What is this called? Bell peppers. What is this called? Sweet potatoes. What is this called? Cabbage. What is this called? Eggplant. What is this called? Cucumber. What is this called? Lettuce. What is this called? Tomato. What is this called? Peas. What is this called? Corn. What is this called? Mushrooms. What is this called? Radish. What is this called? Onion. What is this called? Garlic. What is this called? Beetroot. What is this called? Brussels sprouts. What is this called? Leek. What is this called? Okra. What is this called? Asparagus. What is this called? Artichoke. What is this called? Chili pepper. What is this called? Pumpkin. What is this called? Turnip. What is this called? Celery. What is this called? Parsnip. What is this called? Fennel. What is this called? Kohlrabi. What is this called? Watercress. What is this called? Swiss chard. What is this called? Green beans. What is this called? Snow peas. What is this called? Bok choy. What is this called? Chicory. What is this called? Scallion.